G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Swift Go 14 with the model number N23C6. And this one looks like it's had prior work going by the incorrect screws that have been installed. Check this out. This doesn't come with Phillips heads, nor should they look like this. So the reason why I'm opening up this is downgrading it to a 256 gig SSD as opposed to the 512 that's in there. As the 512 is a little bit overkill, being this has 8 gig of unupgradable RAM. So the idea behind that is to make this machine a little bit cheaper and get the correct screws in there. And then I'll be selling it off from there. So basically I'm harvesting it for the 512 gig SSD. Most of those screws look to be out. Okay, great. Pop, 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 pop. And we are in. You see from here, you see the i5 3500U, I believe it is, battery that's wanting to fall out there. So sadly this is not upgradable, so I can't upgrade the SSD on here. Look at that. By upgradable I mean the RAM, not the SSD. The SSD is upgradable. We have one slot here, and hidden under here looks to be the other poorly installed SSD, being that the screw is not even holding it in. Top job, whoever worked on this last. So that's a Western Digital SN530, and I'll be swapping that over with a Western Digital SN740 256 gig model. Fold that up. My camera's about to go flat, sorry. So we'll have to be quick. Under here, that just kind of slides in, pushes in, drops down. Now that screw should be able to go over the top, not the way that they had put that in. So flip that up and put that in there. Let's fold that down. Being it's only about 2-3 years old, I won't bother doing the thermal paste on it, as I don't believe that's necessary. But we do only have 2 NVMe slots over here and here. Now I did use a T4 screwdriver to get into that. So T4, T5, T3, somewhere around that should be able to get you in it. Now if I put this back down, I'm going to go hunting for some different screws to go into this particular machine, as the ones that were there were not the correct ones. Anyway, I'm going to reinstall Windows on here and go from there. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.